Hey everyone, we are Mocha Cam. Last year we came to you with an idea of the smallest 4K camera. Your incredible support brought Mocha Cam to life. To create a better Mocha Cam, we've responded to thousands of comments and have enjoyed all the photos and videos that you shared online. The improvement ideas and our experience from the Mocha Cam to Mocha 360 has prepared us for this moment. Introducing Alpha and Alpha S, the first wearable camera that provides a shutter wheel to control the shutter speed, allowing you to set it up to 1/2000th of a second or 32 seconds freely. If you haven't heard of Mocha Cam, it's the world's smallest 4K camera. The rotatable screen module allows you to find the best filming angle and double the battery life. The spare battery that simply snaps on magnetically can extend your battery life to 4 hours for video filming. Now, Alpha brings more surprises. Here's how we made it even better. Mocha Cam Alpha S has an umbrella image processor and provides 4K 30 frames per second or 1080p 120 frames per second video features. It means you can get 1/5 speed Full HD slow motion video, same to GoPro Hero 5. With the 1.55 micrometer Sony image sensor, the low light performance has been significantly improved. In addition to Wi-Fi, Alpha provides Bluetooth connection, which is more stable and consumes less power. It can turn your phone into a Bluetooth remote and get GPS information for geotagging or show the trajectory. With the built-in G sensor, Alpha can get better image stabilization on video recording. Alpha has dual status lights, so even if there's no screen module, it can show the camera's status clearly. The dual mic system provides stereo recording capability. Alpha uses a Type-C port to connect the camera and screen. The micro HDMI port provides a new preview and playback mode. Now it's the totally new feature and most important part, the shutter wheel with the new design buttons. In manual mode, you can turn the shutter wheel to set the shutter speed freely, up to 1/2000th of a second or 32 seconds. In other words, you can now use Mocha Cam shooting long exposure night pics or even the stars. What's more, after applying all these great features, Alpha is 20% smaller than the previous generation and 35% smaller than GoPro Hero 5. We are also able to offer two options this time, Alpha and Alpha S. Alpha uses the same image processor to Mocha Cam. The frame rate is similar to GoPro Hero 4 and provides all the other features of Alpha S. So please, order a Mocha Cam today and share it with your friends. Help us to make it a reality.
This is the Alpha 3, the innovative 4K camera that's going to change the way you shoot action video forever. Alpha 3 is the world's first action camera that features a 180-degree flip touchscreen. With the built-in Sony IMX577 image sensor, Alpha 3 provides next-level digital overlap HDR that keeps the picture looking good even in the worst conditions. And unlike GoPro Hero 7, Alpha 3 enables you to shoot video in HDR mode at up to 4K 60 frames per second, resulting in smoother and sharper videos with unmatched high quality. Powered by the revolutionary Ambarella H22 quad-core image processor, Alpha 3's gimbal-like stabilization is steady like a rock. And unlike the DJI Osmo Action, Alpha 3 allows for simultaneous stabilization while in HDR mode. So for the first time in the industry, you can get stable 4K video with improved HDR image quality whenever and wherever you need it. With the 240 frames per second resolution available for 8x super slow motion mode, you can capture every photo finish and every single drop of sweat all in full 1080p. Alpha 3 even provides distortion correction on video shot at a regular angle, up to 4K 30 frames per second without any unwanted fisheye effect. It is also the only action camera that includes a unique mounting adapter so you can shoot with 3x telescope, macro, or any other 37mm. And if you need to get a little wet, Mocha Cam Alpha 3 Pro allows you to shoot up to 3 meters or up to 60 meters by attaching the waterproof case. So this is it, the most advanced action camera that has revolutionized the industry. Get your Alpha 3 today and be the first to experience this one of a kind.
Sometimes, the best moments of our lives are the unpredicted ones, the small surprises, or the everyday experiences. They're the happy accidents that change our lives. We won't always have the time to take out our phone to record these fleeting moments of happiness. Wouldn't it be great to capture and keep these memories instead of simply watching them pass by? This is what we invented, the Mocha Cam Snap. Snap is the world's smallest 4K camera, and unlike any current action camera, Snap is small enough to wear comfortably, and its elegant design is a fit with any fashion statement. The innovative 180-degree flip lens allows you to shoot from the best angles and enables so many creative possibilities. It may not always be easy to find the button when you wear a camera, but with Snap, you can turn it on and start filming with just a click of the remote. The Snap battery life allows for 1.5 hours of continuous video recording, which is impressive for a camera of its tiny size. What's more, the video can be uploaded to the cloud via the Wi-Fi connection, so you can share the story of your life with friends and family anywhere immediately. With the magnet, clip, 1/4-inch adapter, or waterproof case, you'll have numerous ways to wear it and explore. And with 4K image quality, those precious moments of life are yours to remember forever. This is our 4th crowdfunding campaign. From the development and launch of our Mocha Cam, Mocha 360, and Alpha products, we've learned how to turn good design into reliable and durable products quickly and efficiently. Memory can be blurry, notes can be lost, but recorded images tell the true stories of our lives. Capture the best moments of your life with Snap. Upload them to the cloud and keep them forever.
GoPro, start recording. AKASO EK7000 Pro Action Camera features touchscreen and 4K 25 frames per second video. It records smooth footage with the electronic image stabilization. You can set the view angle depending on your needs between super wide, medium, and narrow. You can deep dive up to 131 feet with the upgraded waterproof case.